I need some help just like anyone else. Hold me, 'cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be installing this baby, okay? We're going to be putting this on my head, but this unit is from Curlyme Hair Company. You guys know the deal. Playlist at the top. Information and details that I'm about to tell you is going to be down in the description box, okay? So make sure you double check in there. So this is their honey blonde. They said it's water wave, but this is kinky curly, okay? Not water wave, because this right here does not scream water wave to me. I'm gonna double check with the company and I'm gonna leave it down in the description box and the comment section for you guys. 180% density, I would say like 200% density. That's just what I think, okay? Average cap size, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal. Okay, I love the curl pattern, okay? So I like that it is giving me kinky curly because I'm really digging that right now. I'm digging the huge kind of frizzy look. I'm trying not to like touch it too much because it is getting bigger. So I would suggest using some type of curl smoothie or defining cream, something in the unit so it doesn't get like overly big and just hard to manage. I would suggest co-washing this unit because this is a higher maintenance wig. You got to take care of it, okay? If you're thinking about purchasing this unit, kinky curly texture, I'm just gonna say what I think it is, kinky curly, just make sure that you know that you're gonna have to be co-washing and refreshing these curls, using product in this unit. So yeah, that's just it. So like I said, I like the curl pattern. I like the thickness. I could go a little bit less than what this is. I could, and I never really say that. I never really say that, but I definitely could take this unit lower in the density. So it's literally just your preference. Now, when it comes to this lace, I like the lace in regards to how thin it was, but it is light. And you know, I'm brown skin, so I definitely had to use my makeup. I had to use the lace tint, then I had to go back to use makeup and lace tint. Child, I needed to get this lace to blend. This is how it is looking. It was looking definitely not like this before, and you guys are probably seeing that right now. My brown skin girls and dark skin girls, we gonna have to put in some work on that lace. But other than that, that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you have tried this unit from this company and let us know your thoughts on it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
mirror. Hold me closer in these trying times. Supposed to be my best